This is Professor Derf Seitz. This video shows how to calculate the minimum sample size needed to estimate the mean using Microsoft Excel. There are three fields where you have to enter information: the level of confidence, C, here it's 95%, the margin of error, 7 in this case. If sigma is known, then you use sigma, the population standard deviation. Otherwise, use S, the sample standard deviation. Everything else is calculated from those three: the level of significance, alpha, which is the complement of the level of confidence, alpha over 2 is the area in one tail, 1 minus alpha over 2 gives you all the other area to the right of that, and then z sub alpha over 2 uses the norm inverse, using this value here of 1 minus alpha over 2 on a standard normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. So that's a critical value. And the formula for the sample size that's needed is here. It's V7, which is the critical value, Z sub alpha over 2 times B3, the sigma or S, divided by B2, the margin of error, that whole thing squared. And since we're needing a sample size here, we can't take a fraction of 1, so we have to round up. And that's what this next calculation does, it rounds up.